Hey guys, have you wondered how you could delay your wash without a delay wash button? So first, all you need is this thing. I believe it's called a 24 hours plug and a plug. But mine doesn't have enough room to put this, so I have an extension wire. So all you do first is to plug this in. And there's a button indicates that it's on or off. That's on. As you can see, it's on. But then you need to off it. Alright, then you need to on it first and plug this in. Then you put all your stuffs in, your detergent, and on it and let it run. Now you wait. Yes, wait till it begins. Alright, it's almost starting. As soon as it shows the number, the minutes, then you off it. You off this button, you push this, slide this. It should be around 30 minutes. Alright, when you hear that, push this button. It should automatically off. Alright, so now you need to configure this one. You need to calibrate it. Now is you can put whatever time you want, but for me I want it to be more accurate. So it's currently 12 p.m. See, it's 24 because it's a 24 hours. It's in 24 hours. It's 12 a.m. So every hour it will go by the number, and you get to push down these like little buttons. You push it down to how long it stays on. So you can try it. Okay. Slide it, mimicking it running, and when it hit that thing, it starts. You can see that it starts. All you do is leave it at 24 hours, because that's the time right now, and in 6 hours at 6 o'clock it will start by itself.